In this example, I'm going to create a very popular application, a business card. This is great to do in fiery FreeForm Create. I'm going to create this one from scratch, but you can see this finished example in the Application Examples section of the FreeForm Create home screen. So let's get started. I'll select my master file, and I'll select my data source. FreeForm Create sees that I have 12 different variables, or columns, including a QR code. You see in my data source, I've denoted the QR code with a vertical line. And because I've called it QR code, FreeForm Create will recognize this and automatically select the right barcode type. My master has a bleed, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn on my PDF page box so I can see where the bleed is and where the trim box is, so I'm sure my content stays within the finished size. I'll start dragging and dropping my text fields onto my master. I'll stack all these variables into the same text block, that way I have more control over the spacing and other attributes. I'll apply an initial font to this block. Now I'll go into my rich text editor. This is how I change properties of stacked fields. I'll adjust the size and color of some of these fields. Now I'll set up the address block. I'll add some custom text. I'll select both blocks and do a left align, and then I'll also change the line height. Now I'll add my QR code and resize it. I'll add some custom static text and change the font size and color, for which I'll choose this purple from my presets. Now I can preview. The first thing I'll want to check is to make sure I have enough room in my block with first and last name. I'll select this text block from the list of variables, then choose longest. Everything looks good. Now, this is ready to save and send to the Fiery server for production. This is a great application to use a server preset that includes an imposition template so that you don't have to do the manual imposition. So I'll choose my server preset in FreeForm Create, then send over to my Fiery server. And now when it gets to the Fiery server, it's already imposed and ready to print.